Affiliate marketing tips that are sure to work. There are many ways to get rich quick out there. Unfortunately, affiliate marketing isn't one of them. If you wanted to get into marketing because you thought you would make money in a hurry, then it's obvious that you don't understand how affiliate marketing works. That's why you need videos like this, in order to put you back on the right path. There is no doubt that successful affiliate marketing does take a lot of consistent effort. Start by finding a niche, a topic, that is interesting to you. This way you will enjoy writing the content and building the niche website. Then find services and products that you can promote on your site. Then you can successfully market for an affiliate, and make some extra cash while doing so. When you are starting out in affiliate marketing, it can be helpful to sign up with affiliates that provide the products or services that you like to sell. Your income will be contingent on how many affiliate networks you form contracts with. Do some research before choosing which affiliates you will do business with. To make money in affiliate marketing, you should be selective in finding products that offer the highest commissions. While you are taking up space on your page with an ad for a product that pays you 10%, you are giving up that real estate for a product that could pay you 40%. If you plan on being successful with affiliate marketing, you should write videos. It is crucial that you know everything there is to know about your product. In order to achieve this, you have to research and write videos. When writing videos, include a link to your site in the resource box. Blogs are a great way to make money. If you do it right, affiliate marketing can really pay off. Blogs are a great way to give details about a company's products. A company may not have room on their website catalog to give you the information you need. Giving first-hand usage information can pay off. When trying to get inbound links, focus on getting them from reputable sites. Having your page linked from just a few high-profile or highly regarded sites will do you much more good than having your site linked from 20 different link farms. Stay away from the link farms as much as possible so you don't suffer guilt by association with them. Remember to always provide great, timely, valuable content that really gives your readers helpful and useful information. When you do this, your readers will have more faith in you and will be much more likely to want to do business with you. A great deal of affiliate marketing depends upon building a good relationship with your clients and proving yourself trustworthy and knowledgeable. The path you choose will, ultimately, decide where you end up. You could be a flash-in-the-pan marketer whose profits barely cover expenses, or you could be a success entrepreneur whose profits lead to massive market expansion. The choice is yours. Just remember to refer back to any helpful information, just like you've just watched here, in order to get help on your way. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.